All right, Sean, here's your 347 small block 4 gauge descriptions combinations. Instead of our ass cast heads, Holley manifold, Holley Sniper 2 on it, custom grind hydraulic roller, got the CVF front end, front sump, Moroso oil pan, it's got an Eagle rotating kit. Go in there and make a run, see what she does, stay tuned. Alrighty, 3400, 401 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 407, peak horsepower 415, so everything's good. Front end's about 15, so that's a good number. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple things here. See if your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card full of technical information. Highly recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag. It will have your engine numbers, motor specs. That engine number is easy ways for us to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code, take you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.